Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about laser therapy and what it does and how it's going to help you. Okay, but before I do that, and we're also going to show you how a treatment is going to go and be like. Okay, so before I do that, let's zoom in on the machine. So this is the Apollo laser machine. It's a class 4 laser. Okay, and it's really good and it works really well for pain, for swelling, for inflammation. To help out with any kind of pressure points, any kind of sprain and strain. It accelerates your healing process, and it also decreases scar tissue if you have it, if you had the injury for a long time, and it accelerates wound healing. A lot of burned patients use this machine to regenerate the cells. So the way it works is it helps the healthy cells regenerate in your body, and it pretty much decreases all the unhealthy cells. Okay, it goes into the mitochondria and it promotes the healthy cell replication in your body. So all the healthy cells start forming, and then the unhealthy cells are pretty much dying off. Okay, so that's how, like, for burn patients, it regenerates the skin. Okay, so for our patients, the way we use it here in our office, we use it for neck pain, we use it for back pain, we use it for disc pain, we use it for sciatica, but we also use it for patients that have like wrist pain. If they have any kind of, if they sprained their wrist, or if they have carpal tunnel, it works really well. Or if they sprained their knee or their ankle, it really works for joints really well. So the way it works is, I'm going to use Vanessa right here. And basically, the way it works, it's going to be very comfortable. And a lot of people don't even feel it when it's on. You got to think of it this way. When you go out in the sun and the sun is hitting you, you might feel a little bit of kind of warmth, but you're not going to feel like the sun rays going inside your skin. Now, unless you stay too long there, then you're going to get a sunburn. So same concept. This is light therapy. It's laser. It's very focused. As you can see here, there's 5 heads there that will shoot out laser from it, and it concentrated on one area. And basically, you don't even need to do it that long, because if we do it too long, then it's not good. So there's such a thing as too much of a good thing. Like being out in the sun is good; it helps with your vitamin D. But if you stay out too long, what's going to happen? You're going to get burned. You're going to get a sunburn, and it's not fun. So same concept here. We use just the right amount of laser that we need, and I'm going to show you how we do that right now. Okay, so basically, if we found an area, obviously we would move this away. We don't want to kind of have any metal or any kind of things near the area that we're going to be working on. So for this example, let's say we're going to be working on this wrist. All I do is I put the head on here, and I simply move it back and forth for a cycle, and a cycle is about 2 minutes long. Okay, for the patient, they really don't feel anything on the first cycle, maybe not even the second cycle. It's the third cycle that might feel some warmth, but we're doing 3 to 4 cycles, and that's about it. And just 3 to 4 cycles is enough to promote the healing in there, bring the swelling down, take care of any scar tissue, help the nerves heal, help the tissue heal. And then after that, what we do is we ice it to kind of calm down the inflammation even further, and then to help the healing process, expedite the healing process in that area. So it's really easy. All we do is just move this back and forth. Now, sometimes we'll even stay on that area. If she's having nerve pain, we'll stay on that area for about 30 seconds, and then we move to a different area right there. Okay. Other areas that we could use, we could do it on the elbow. We could even do it on the shoulder, but most commonly that we do it on is lower back pain, people that have disc herniations or nerve pain. Okay. As far as how many sessions, we start off with 6 sessions. Each session is about, I would say 10 minutes long with everything, and then the icing is another 10 to 12 minutes. So you'll be here for about 22 minutes. Okay. So take advantage of our laser. Come on in if you're having any kind of stubborn aches and pains that's not going away. Come on in, let us try the laser on you and see how it works. We do have a special going on for your first session. It's going to be $30, and then even further, actually, it's going to be $30 for you. Okay, but the first session includes the exam, so we don't charge you for the exam. It's all included in your $30. Okay, so take advantage of this offer. Come on in, and let's see how laser is going to help you out. All right, you guys, until next time, please follow us and subscribe to all of our channels. We wouldn't be here without you guys, so we appreciate you following us, and we appreciate you guys being patients of ours. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.